The topic of this video is how to follow someone on Threads. So, let's begin. Get your Threads account active. If there isn't one, install the app from the Google Play Store on an Android smartphone, then sign up for an account. You must visit the App Store if you have an iPhone. Threads is closely linked to the Meta platform Instagram, requiring users to have Instagram and use Threads with the same identity. I'll show you the two simplest and quickest ways to follow someone on Threads. The first is to simply go to the main page of Threads, where different posts will be shown. If you want to follow that profile, just open that profile. Now press the following button, just right beneath the bio information about that profile. That's how you can directly follow someone on Threads. The other way to follow someone on Threads is just to press the search icon from the bottom bar on the screen. Now search for the profile in the search bar you are looking for. If you found your desired profile among the listed profiles by scrolling down, you can easily follow that from here. So these were the easiest ways to follow someone on Threads, either directly or through the search bar. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.